Hello and welcome back to my channel, The Angrezi Madam. Today we are going to do dictation. So, let's get started. Dan has a red cat. Dan has a red cat. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. Mike rides his bike. Mike rides his bike. A frog jumps in the pond. A frog jumps in the pond. We plant seeds in the garden. We plant seeds in the garden. The kite flies high. The kite flies high. She bakes a cake. She bakes a cake. Tim has a big car. Tim has a big car. The crab walks on the sand. The crab walks on the sand. A bug sits on a log. A bug sits on a log. Sam swims in the lake. Sam swims in the lake. The dog has a long tail. The dog has a long tail. I like to skate. I like to skate. The plane flies in the sky. The plane flies in the sky. Max plays with blocks. Max plays with blocks. The clock is big. The clock is big. Fred is glad to help. Fred is glad to help. Liz has a pink dress. Liz has a pink dress. A car is slow. A car is slow. The drum is red. The drum is red. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share my channel.